I was good on my own, that's the way it was. That's the way it was. You was good on the low for a favor. I'm so faded love. Shit, what the fuck you complaining for? Feeling jaded up. Used to trip off that shit I was kicking to your head.
Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Nessa and I'm back with another video. As y'all can see from today's title, you guys, I will be installing this bomb ass long ass 28-inch hair from Upgradeu hair. So thank you guys so much for sending me over this bomb ass wig, you guys. Like, I loved this wig. I've been wearing this wig for like a week now, you guys. It's minimal shedding, it's true to length, the shipping was super fast. The quality of this hair, y'all, like, this hair is so soft and so flowy. And the only product I used in this hair was heat protectant, I believe, and the wax stick, and it's still holding up pretty freaking well, you guys. So if y'all want to see how I install this hair, then keep on watching. Okay y'all, so I'm just putting makeup in my lace right now to tint it a little bit. I did go ahead and bleach and pluck this hair. I'm gonna show y'all how it looks on my mannequin head, because I literally just like took it off. Oh my god, y'all, like, don't mind this line of freaking, like, ain't no makeup under, because I just took another wig off, y'all. This is basically how the wig looks after I plucked it and bleached the knots and then put some makeup on the lace, you guys. And excuse me if y'all hear my AC in the back. Like, it's hella high in Florida. It's like literally like 100 and something degrees. Like, it don't make no freaking sense how hot it is, y'all. But yeah, we're gonna be doing a glueless install with this hair, y'all. And this is a 28 inches, you guys. This hair is hella long. Like, it's giving 34 inches, okay, period. So make sure you check the link in my description and go shop with them and say Nessa sent you, okay, for some money off your order or whatever. This hair is freaking long, and the only reason they look like this right now is because, like, I did like co-wash it before I put it in my head. Always co-wash your wigs, y'all. Like, literally, like, these hairs coming from different people's scalps, so you want to always co-wash your wigs or whatever. So make sure you do that, y'all. Yeah, I'm gonna be honest with you guys. Like, sometimes, like, when you first start doing your hair, you're not gonna really know what you're doing. So that's not the honesty, but like, sometimes, like, I really be messing these wigs up. That's what I was telling her. Like, so now that I got the hair on my head, oh my god, it looks so nice. Let me just go ahead and just like put it all the way back so I can see what I'm doing, like, more properly. And this is the Shiso Bomb wax stick, you guys. I really do love this wax stick because it's very light and it's easy to wash out. It don't give like a greasy look or anything like that, which I love. That's why I love this wax stick. Oh shit, I burned myself, y'all. But yeah, you guys, y'all can already tell, like, this is about to be a fire ass install. Like, this is gonna turn out so freaking good, okay? But y'all, when y'all put y'all wigs on your head, you want to make sure, like, it's lined up, like, it's even. Like, you see how this is even right now? And then I'm just gonna go in and just cut off my ear tabs so it won't like cover my ear. So I'm just gonna go ahead and cut those off real quick. And today we're gonna be using my bitch. Hold on, y'all. Today we're gonna be using this bitch right here. Like, if you don't have this spray already, I'm telling y'all need this spray. Not the yellow can, not the red can, but this one is the strongest one, and it's super easy to use. It dries fast. It don't leave like no white residue or anything like that. So make sure y'all gonna get this, okay? I feel like the audio in this video is gonna be messed up just because my AC is on, y'all. But it's so hot, and I'm not gonna do a voiceover for this video. But anyways, I'm just gonna cut my ear tabs off, y'all. Normally people would just go with the scissors and cut it off, you guys, but as I cut right here, I just hold it really firmly and then I just rip it off, because I don't want, like y'all know I'm a beginner in doing my hair, so sometimes when I cut the lace, I be cutting like the frontal, like, and I don't got time to be walking around with piece of my frontal gone. Like, I don't got time, so I just cut it like that, and then I pull it that way. I don't go in and like mess. Ooh, that way I don't go in and mess the hairs up. Okay, so now that I got it like how I want it to my head, and like, you know, it's down my ears or whatever, I'm just gonna go in and brush that out my way. Just gonna brush it out my way, y'all. And then, ooh, hold on, y'all. After I done brushed it out my way, you guys, I'm just gonna go in with my Ebon spray. And I would like lift it up and spray it like under here, but I don't want it to like mess up my makeup. Like, I don't want it to mess up my makeup, so I just rather like do it like this, guys. And then I'm just gonna go in with this spray, and then I'm just gonna spray all across the hairline like so. When you do your hair like this, you guys, it depends on the amount of layers you do, but normally this hairstyle can last you for like, oops, this hairstyle can last you to like 3 days to a week. And then I'm just gonna tie it down with this wrap that I got. I seen this girl on TikTok, I forgot her name, but if I remember while I'm editing, like if I remember her name while I'm editing this video, like I really like how she does her like makeup and stuff like that, and then I really love how she does hair as well. Okay, y'all, so I just had to switch out my batteries real quick, but so this can dry a little bit faster, I'm just gonna go in with my Yellow Bird blow dryer, and then I'm just gonna go in with the cool settings, and then I'm just gonna let that dry.
I would like to get to know if you could be the kind of girl that you took me down for. 'Cause when I look at you, I feel something tell me that you're the kind of guy.
Okay, y'all, so now that it is all dried, I'm gonna cut the lace off, you guys, and then if there is like any part of the lace lifting up after I cut it, I'm just gonna go in with my Ebon, and then I'm just gonna do one more spray. I'm gonna do one more spray, y'all, but like, y'all, look how freaking long this hair is. Like, I'm gonna show y'all, like, I'm gonna get up and show y'all, but this hair is so freaking long, like, and no lie, like, I'm just feeling this all back look. I wish I'm thinking if I'm gonna wet it, like, I'm not gonna do no edit on this wig, so I don't know. Let me just go in with my foundation again, and just I'm just gonna put some on the lace right here. I'm gonna put some on the lace, yeah. When I go in to like really melt it, you guys, I'm gonna go in with a darker cream foundation, just because like I feel like that gives me like the ultimate melt. So I'm gonna go in with a darker cream foundation, or I think that one I'm gonna use is like powder. I think it's powder, y'all. I'm gonna let y'all know. Like, oh my god, like I'm getting so much better with my installs, like it's crazy. And then my plucking game, like I be plucking my wigs now, y'all. Like I'm not scared to pluck my wigs anymore, you guys. Like I pluck, okay, I pluck my wigs now. Like normally I used to be scared to pluck my wigs, you guys, but I'm thinking like, what the hell am I scared for? Like why, you know? So I be plucking my wigs now, you guys. Like when you use darker shades, I just feel like it turns out better. Like it actually looks like scalp. And this is a transparent lace, so I'm just gonna go in and just cut the lace off, y'all. Y'all, normally when I do this, I would have like my tweezers so I can lift up these little parts that I didn't get under. And I learned this trick from I forgot her name, but I'm gonna put it on the screen. Like when you use your tweezer, it just is better. Okay. So now y'all, now that I cut it off, I'm not gonna go in with my airing spray anymore because it's a pretty good hold. It's just the ends right here that's just like lifting up a little bit, but as far as that, it's not like lifting too much. So I'm just gonna go with my Fantasia firm hold spritz. This is the pink kind, but you can use the yellow, the blue. I think it's different holes. And then I'm gonna spray a little bit over there, and then I'm just gonna go in. But yeah, while it's holding, I'm just gonna go in again with my blow dryer and just let that dry a little bit on the coldest setting. Y'all, like I'm really looking in the mirror right now. Like I want to do like an all slit back lit like that, but then again I'm thinking like a half up, half down, but I don't know. I'm just gonna keep it simple today. Okay, like I have to see what I'm wearing first, and then I'm gonna decide on how I want my hair. So y'all make sure y'all go follow me on my Instagram, because sometimes I be selling my wigs after I do my hair. So if y'all are interested in purchasing my wigs after I wear them for like a day, then you can follow my Instagram and like inquire about them, I guess. But yeah, I'm gonna come back on here after I'm ready to like take this band off and I decide what type of hairstyle I'm gonna do. So BRB, baby. Okay, y'all, so I did go ahead and put this up in like a half up half down type of look, you guys. I did wear it slick back for a picture that I took, so I'm gonna leave the picture right here, y'all. Also, thank you guys so much to Upgradeu Hair for sending me over this hair. I freaking love this hair. It was a bomb, so nice, y'all. Like, make sure to check the link in the description box to shop this hair, you guys. And yeah, y'all, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see y'all in my next videos. Bye, y'all.